Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị miss any of our updates dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ Biafran Prime Minister MAZI Ekpa. O nwere ife okwu n'ilu akwụkwọ mma achọ ka unu ga-esi ya bụ ife ọ na-adọrọpụrụ anyị ifu nche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe ndị a niile okwu. Alright, over to you, sir.
By Fulanis, then he can come to Anambra and conduct election. He don't want to be back to be in the bad history book of Biafra. He should resign. If he resign, that is a very good decision. And any other person that is coming to Anambra, let the person come. But if he did not resign, because this can be a fake news, you can never know. You can never know. It can be a fake news. Fake news is flying everywhere. But the best thing, if he did not resign, I don't know, because the news is flying everywhere. So if it is fake news, nobody knows. Because a lot of people are carrying fake news everywhere. A lot. So go and check. Did Ebuka resign? And another person appointed, did he resign? Let us confirm and verify it. You see the work the groups are doing? And before I forget, Alan also, the man you just watch on my program now, also was about to, should be because I didn't ask that question to him. Alan was to visit the UN, and was to visit the UN, although they are not accepting people at the moment. Sorry about that. The UN Human Rights Group, the UN Human Rights Group, which is in Geneva, they are not accepting person in meeting at time, probably because of the COVID restrictions and all that in the Netherlands. Yeah, this is something that everybody knows. So I think he forgot to mention that, because I needed to ask that question about visiting Geneva, since the last application he wanted to go in person and he could not go. So Alan just informed that he wanted to clarify about his traveling to Geneva, but they are not accepting the meeting in person at this point. So our people are working around the clock to make sure that you are not depressed and not going to take drug and are not going to take Mpurumiri. You don't need to take Mpurumiri. Some people are working around the clock to make sure that the movement, the Biafra struggle, is going forward. And very soon Biafra will come. So why would you go and start taking drugs? Why would you go and say you are depressed, or you are tired of life, you are taking drugs? Drugs can never solve your problem. Can never change it. Can never change it. People working around the clock to make sure that the struggle for Biafra, that something is happening. We have people, we have representative everywhere. So if anybody, if Ebunike have resigned, a good, congratulations to him. I hear that another person has resigned also. Congratulations to him. By tomorrow, in fact, make sure you send a very big signal to the United States. The United States, they are interested in election. It is time we get their attention. It is time we get Anambra State. This Anambra State is going to be an open door for Biafra. Let us use Anambra State election to attention and send signal to America, because they are waiting for free and fair election. Somebody say, I'm calculating to go super chat. I'm sorry. You see. Where is Ego super chat, please? I've been carried away by I've been carried away by what I'm saying. Now there's Ego super chat too. Thank you, Cyril. I won't do for your super chat. Anybody selling hard drug in the holy land of Biafra is a saboteur. Exactly. The person must be treated as one. We don't want drug. Go and warn them. Go and warn them in the street. And that henceforth, if you sell drug in Biafra land, you will be treated as Fulani, because it is only Fulanis that do that. Only Fulanis. They smoke gum and do all these things. That's why when you look at them, they look useless. You cannot come to Biafra land and be looking like Fulani. We can't accept that. We cannot accept that. So, Anambra election is that we are going to use it to prove a point to America. And remember that since they want you see, okay, somebody made $50. Okay, all right, thank you very much. For those that did not show your super chat, I'm sorry about that. When we go to, by tomorrow, when everybody stay at home, they postponed this election. They will say, okay, election will take place not tomorrow again. And then it will give the leadership opportunity to go and rethink. Let the America ambassador or embassy in Nigeria understand that anya obi anya tagaki. Obi anya tagaki. Let the embassy understand that obi ataga anyi mmiri. Because we don't care anymore. And let me tell you, afraid of what? They're afraid of, they want to call us criminal. They want to call us, what the hell? Let them call you whatever they want to call you. Let them call you criminal. Let them call you terrorist. Let them call you whatever they want to call you. We are not fighting for independence and freedom with a clear eye. And our case is in the global awareness. We fought war, civil war in Nigeria for 3 years. Did you call Ojukwu terrorist? When Ojukwu was fighting war, did you call terrorist? I am asking you. Did you call Ojukwu terrorist? The only reason why that war ended the way it ended is because we were not scattered all over the world like we scattered today. So when let this war happen, it can never even be possible. It can never be possible. You think that it is this thing they are doing? Huh? Is this thing they are doing? Parade in the street? You think that it is this? I told you, they are going to leave Biafra land in shame. Go and ask them. Are they not living in shame already? It doesn't matter how many people they kill. It doesn't matter how they are abducting our people. They are going to get tired abducting. But let me tell you, they are going to leave Biafra land in shame. Shame will catch them. If you come out, you are sacrificing yourself because they are looking for evidence. They are looking for who to kill to say is that POB. If you come out tomorrow, as you are coming out, go and write your will. What we are asking for is that it must not take place tomorrow. So that if we are going to re-strategize to come out, we are going to build and rebuild the strategy. But not tomorrow. Not tomorrow. You see, that is how I have been warning you. As I'm talking to you now, there is still kepu that Obi Kubana in DSS. Obi Kubana is still in DSS. Do you know how many people is paying their salary? Do you know how many people Obi Kubana employed? They say tax fraud. How many people is Sheku Gumi? How many people is payroll of Sheku Gumi? The people that are shooting gun and pump action. They don't even use pump action. Pump action is they don't use that kind of gun. But Gumi is waxing stronger, threatening Nigeria. But Obi Kubana is still. You see one thing about this Nigeria. Evil people, when you see them, they will carry news that is lie, fake. They say, Obi Kubana is out. Why I'm talking about Obi Kubana is because I warned him on this program. And if I summon the courage to warn him on this program, which is not even about Biafra, but because of the message God gave me, before he don't use God. God asked me to warn him on this program. It is not the first time, but the message is there. I warned him the first time. I warned him the second time. He didn't listen to me. Today, I am hearing that he is still in EFCC. He's still in EFCC. There will be, I know as I'm talking now, somebody will ring in one of the friends. Come. Simon Ekpa is talking about Obi Kubana. I warned him, and that warning is there. It is still valid. He didn't listen. Today, they have come for him. And let me tell you, they are not going to stop. First of all, they are going to ground him for Anambra until Anambra election is over because they think there is something he can do in Anambra. Until Anambra election that is never going to take place is over. I warned him. He didn't listen. He was making friends with Abba Kairi. Is it shocking you? Okay, let me even review something that is going to shock you. Do you know Obi Kubana? I want Obi Kubana. Now let me shock you now, because Obi Kubana will not know this I'm going to say now. Do you know what happened? Do you know what happened? I want to send this particular video I'm about to say now to his friends. Do you know what happened? You want to know? They are looking for the downfall of any Igbo man. Anybody make a jimpata go, you know, they want everybody to fall down. So what did they do? They went to Abba Kairi. They told Abba Kairi, you know, this guy is your friend. Tell us the secret you know about him. Tell us how he runs his business. And because Obi Kubana now found somebody who is DIG now, Nina Kwatelo. So he is bringing him to come and wear the same cloth with him during the mother burial. So Abakaere where say why not give them tip what to do and one or two things to do. The same day Abakaere came out, the same day they announced that Abakaere is back, is the same day they capture Obi Kubana. You don't know this now, but I'm telling you now. So, Unobona Jili Iria Gwezayono now. Obi Kubana and his friend will use their tongue now to count their teeth. That the same day the announcement of Abakaere restatement is the same day they capture Obi Kubana. You see, when the one I open is the one, and I will not go deep. I will not go deep again because I did not come here to talk about Obi Kubana. But I have just released a bombshell now, which they are going to work with. So let Obi Kubana friend go and work with what I have just said now. The same day they capture Obi Kubana is the same day they restated Abakaere. Go and work with that.
And by Ekenekwen Mono, Kunsinesela na Igbo media, boy by si wotero ni yabo osi dio Ekpa. Master maka ya bife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. Ife were ikwu gbasata maka ya bife ndị a niile okwu gasị dị iche iche dropụrụ anyị ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ na comment section na Igbo media. Ndị be anyị asị na n'Igbo ya adị na ya dị ka echi ada agwụ ọgwụ. Ise. Thank you.